Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is Anani with Home With Anani. Thank you so much for taking your precious time to watch this video. As always, it gives me great pleasure to serve you guys by doing this video. So let's get started. Well guys, I am here to share with you my Dollar Tree haul. I mentioned in previous videos that I am organizing my coffee station upstairs, and I think the best place to get items for organizing is always the Dollar Tree. So if you want to see what I got, keep watching. Okay, the first item that I got from Dollar Tree were these two bins. They're actually organization bins for your office or your desk, but I'm not going to be using it for that. I'm going to be using it in my mini fridge that I just got. So I got two of those. Then I got this dish rack here for my paper plates that I have upstairs. I got 4 placemats just because I think they're beautiful. So I got 4 of those. I got me a scrubbing brush. This is for me to scrub my vegetables, the one that I have. You know, after a while using it, they tend to get beat up. So I got me a new one. I got these, and I also got 3 of these baskets. I'm not sure whether I'm going to put snacks in it or put my coffee pods in it. It all depends on, you know, which one fits perfectly in the drawer. So I got 3 of these, and I think that's it as far as organization. Then I picked up some craft items. I got 4 of these bling wraps in the silver. And I got 1 in the gold. And you guys know everything in the Dollar Tree is $1. When I walk the dogs in the morning, I like to listen to my music. It kind of motivates me and it makes the day go, or my walk I should say, go a little bit smoother. So I got me some new earbuds. I go through these like crazy. So because I go through them crazy, I don't spend a lot of money. So I got 4 of these. I got this one. They're all different. I got this one. This. And finally this one. Okay. Then I saw these and I showed you guys in a Goodwill haul that I had hauled some Martha Stewart plates and salad plates. And this design on this tea light candle holder looks very, very similar. I don't know if you guys can see that. So I thought it was really, really cute. So I got 4 of these. So there's the 2. And then here's the other 2. I got me a set of, let's see what kind of flowers these are. I believe they're cone flowers. I got 1 of these. I have a DIY that I'm going to be working on. I will be bringing that video to you guys soon. So I got 1 of these. I'd like to get another one, but the Dollar Tree that I went to only had 1. So I'm hoping to find another one pretty soon. I got a pack of these picks, these pumpkin picks. This is for the DIY arrangement that I will be doing. So I got 1 pack of this. I thought these were cute. They have these monogram, or how can I say this? Anyway, it has the word grateful on it. So I got 4 of these, as you can see. And then also I got 4 of these that says life is beautiful. Okay. I also got these trinket trays. I will not be using them as trinket trays. I got 4 of these that says hello gorgeous. You guys can see that. I got 4 of those. And then I got 4 that says goodbye. Hope you can see it. Okay. I also got some washcloths. I got 2 sets of these, and they say let me just break it open so I can actually read what it says. It says, live every moment, laugh every day, love with all of your heart. So I got 4 of these. There are 2 packs, so I got 2 packs. So a total of 4 in this one. And then I got 2 packs of these, a total of 4, that says enjoy every moment. Okay, and this is for me to keep upstairs. We're going to be using these as paper towel instead of buying regular paper towels, and then I'll just wash them as I need to, and if they get too dingy I can always buy some more. I did find the mitt for the one that says, it's upside down, enjoy every moment. I could not find the other one, so I'm on the look for that one. I got 2 of these. I don't know where the other one is, but I got 2 of these gloves. I like using this to clean my car because I have dogs. Sometimes you can't really see the hair when you vacuum it, so when you rub the gloves on the carpet, it picks up the hair that you don't see. Really, really, really good. So I got 2 of those. I got 1 of these boxes to organize my tea. I'm kind of a tea drinker, but more a coffee drinker. So I got 1 of those. Then I thought these plates were super, super cute. They're plastic. You get 4 for $1. They're dinner plates. They're 10.25 inches in diameter. So I ended up getting 2 of these for us to use upstairs, maybe when we're eating a pizza or something like that. Then I also got 2 of these paper plates. You get 18 in a pack, so I got 2 packs. And again, this is for upstairs. And then I also got a pack of napkins, same design, and you get 20 napkins for $1. And then finally, guys, no, not finally, I do have one other item to share. I always stop in the nail section. I know I have another one of this, I just don't know where it is. So I got this design this time. God, I hope you can see it. And then I just got some plain ones so I can polish my nails myself. And then finally, I got these. I have not seen anyone haul these yet. For $1, I thought they were really, 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 really good for $1. And they are these doormats. Let's see. It doesn't say the size, but I got this one that says welcome. It's like in this charcoal gray and light gray combination with white. I just thought this was really, really cute. I mean, if I had to guess, I would say this is a 12 by 24. So I got this one. I actually got 4 because I'm gonna put them on my back door, one for each door. I got this one. Again, slightly different. This one has a little bit of brown and a little bit of gray. Just absolutely cute. So I got 1 of these for each back door. And look how thick it is, guys. See that? That's about a ½ inch thick. So for $1, I think this is an amazing buy. And then I got this one, which says home. So, you know, when that one gets too dirty and beat up, I have this one to replace it. I will be keeping my eyes out for these. I just think this is just such a good buy for $1 at the Dollar Tree. So I got that one that says home, and that's like in a cream with a little bit of gray. And then finally I got this other one that says home, that's in a charcoal gray. And guys, that is it. That is the end of my haul. As always, like I said, it is a pleasure for me to do these videos for you guys. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Also like, comment, and share this video with your friends and family. Should you decide to subscribe to the channel, make sure you turn on that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Y'all be blessed, have an awesome day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.